What did we do today?
We went to go put the gas in for the semi.
We went to work, first of all.
Yeah.
And then we went to fuel up. Because we don't get gas, we get diesel. We ended up coming back home because we couldn't find a load. We went and stopped at our friend's house. They were putting in a pond.
They're putting in a pond.
Mm-hmm. And then we went to the car wash.
And clean up our wheels.
Oh, wait!
Got her.
Watch for cars! Oh! Foul ball! Oh!
I get 2 points.
2 points?
Got 2 points for me.
Ellie, come on this side. Come on this side.
Ah!
Come on this side.
Come on this side. Ah! Now.
Okay. Thumping tires? What are these right here? Landing gear. If we don't get gas, we get diesel. It's diesel fuel. Let's go get 230 on pump. A2.
$230 13.
Pump 18?
18.
Yeah.
230? Diesel?
Diesel only.
Yeah? Okay, dude.
Huh? All right, let's do your side. Get this first. Put it in there. Oh. Put it in there. Boom. Squeeze it. There you go. Check the oil. Oil's good. We end up coming home so I can look for some freight to pick up. You got my headset? You got that headset on? You think you a trucker? I have never seen a semi go down the road without a door. Help us. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna give soap in my car. You know what I mean? I'm not. I was just messing around.
Stop messing around with me. I don't like it.
Oh, hold up, bro. Elodie. I'm rolling up, bro. Yeah, Elodie. I'm not gonna let it get you, Elodie.
Oh, Daddy, stop it. I'm not playing games.
What's colorful?
Wow.
Rainbow color?
Yeah.
What do you see?
With pink and yellow. Whoa! Whoa! That thing just scared me.
That thing scared you?
Yeah.
You about hit the car?
Yeah, no, you.
I almost hit the car?
Yeah.
Butter.
Butter.
Where would the butter be?
I don't know.
You don't know where the butter's at?
Maybe. No. Here,
How'd you know the butter's gonna be in there?
huh? What do we need on the list?
Oh no, chocolate milk's looking good.
Let's try it.
That thing heavy or no?
No.
Lightweight. Alright, let's go. Come on.
That's all we're gonna get?
Yeah.